It's a sad, sad day. Well, unfortunately, my SAAB has a check engine light. And today, I'm going to prove to you that you do not need a high dollar scanner nor a Tech 2 to actually check your check engine light. I will admit that I have had issues in the past going to an auto parts store local to me to get a check engine light read with a SAAB. Now, the parts store that I went to had what's called an Actron scanner, that's the brand. And the scanner that they use on your vehicle in the store is the same one that they sell. So the scanner is around $150 to $200, and it couldn't check the check engine light. And they were claiming to say that you needed some fancy scanner to check it, and they couldn't do it, and basically told me to go pound salt. So I actually have a Tech 2 scanner, one of the high dollar ones that they were referring to, and today I'm going to prove to you that you actually do not need a high dollar scanner. And what we'll be using today is this masterpiece that you see in front of you, this MaxiScan MS309, and quite honestly, I don't know if all of them have this exact same part number. I imagine they're all cheap Chinese ones that are rebranded, but practically speaking, this will do the job, and it's only $12. I got this on Amazon. Actually, no, I got this on eBay, but I know you can get one similar off of Amazon. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and plug this in and see what it does. So now take your key, stick it in the ignition, turn to the on position, let it do its thing. Take your OBD2 port connector and fish it down into here and plug it in. So in a reference, you have the pedals. Yours, I doubt, will have this bass knob, but it will be right up in here that you can't see. Oh, there it is. Okay. There you go. Plug it in like such. And voila, we have power. Enter to scan. There you go. One code found. There you have it. EVAP emission system leak detected. Very small. So it is a generic code. It's nothing specific. It's not saying there's an issue with the purge valve or canister, like the charcoal canister, anything like that. It's just super generic. Imagine that. And it's not going to tell you any recommended fixes because this is a super cheap scanner. But what you can do is, at least now you know what the code is, take that, punch it into the interwebs, and see where that gets you. So that's the only code I have. And then I believe you can have the car running and look at specific parameters and whatnot. Actually, I've never really used any of this stuff, but let's see what it does. We won't go into that. But you can actually do a decent amount with this little cheap scanner. And let me rescan it here real quick. But you can even erase the code if need be. So say you did find the leak. You replace said part that was the problem. Well, then you can go to erase code. Are you sure? Yes. And sometimes you do get an error, but actually, I think it'll still clear it. See, there you go. No codes are stored. So it's really that easy. So it's certainly not the most advanced scanner out there, but for $12, you can't really go wrong. And you can find it all over the place. Amazon, eBay, I'm sure there's other means out there. But just to prove you that the code is gone, voila, there it is. So hopefully that shows you that even if the parts store cannot scan your check engine light for whatever reason, there is other options out there that don't require a fancy schmancy Tech 2 scanner. So if this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, drop a comment down below. This will be in the description of the link that I purchased this from. And as always, if you enjoyed the video and you want to see more SAAB content in the future, content just in general, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time, hopefully on a better day. And I need to fix the original problem why that actually popped up. But that's a video for another time. Catch you guys next time.